Good morning to all students. Students, we are going to have here your moral science subject. Okay. So the first chapter for your moral science subject is choosing to change. Now here a situation is been given for a girl Anupama. So let's see what is the condition or what is the situation which is provided in here this first chapter, that is choosing to change. Anupama, she is a student of class 10th. She recalls her past life. Okay, she is remembering or recalling her past life, what has happened in her past life. So she is saying that I was a timid person all these years. With the onset of adolescence, my timidity increased. I avoided people. Some people said I was shy, other thought I was proud. Okay, so what it is saying that what she is remembering that or recalling that she was a very timid person. So timid persons means that she was very shy, I think so. She was hesitant to talk to anybody. Okay, and she was reserved in herself. And during the time of adolescence means the teenage time. Okay, it means the age between the 13 to 21 of the child, that is time is known as the adolescent age. And she is tolding that she used to avoid the people, she used to remain in alone only. Okay, and she was behaving very shyly there. Other thoughts that I was very proud, and due to this reason, due to avoiding other people's were having a wrong inception for her that she was very proud on herself, and therefore she was avoiding them. I became very conscious about myself. She told further, I became very conscious about myself, especially about my own inability to relate to others. Okay, she was very conscious about herself. It means that she was thinking and she was correcting every kind of behaviors which she was imparting there. Okay, she was very hesitant to talk to anybody, she was very hesitant to express herself to anybody, and especially about her own inability to relate with others. Okay, she was unable to relate her expressions and her different activities which she performs to with others. I became anxious and depressed, and due to this reason, what happened, and due to the reason that she was reserved and she was avoiding the other person's her expressions she was avoiding. So therefore what happened, she became anxious. Okay, she became anxious, it means that she was having anxiety. Okay, and also due to this reason, what, she was depressed. Okay, she was depressed, and due to this depression, what happened, her anxiety has also increased. I was afraid to open up, and so I remained an introvert. Due to this anxiety and due to this depression, what happened, she started to become afraid, and she became more and more afraid of expressing herself to others, or to her parents, or to her friends, or to her classmates, and to all other peoples socially. Means she was hesitating to become more social. Okay, she was hesitating to become more social, and hence she was becoming introvert. It means that if she want to express something, but due to her introvertness, she was unable to express herself, she was unable to open up her ideas to the others. Everyone kept telling me that I must change. Everyone kept telling me how timid I was with everyone, even my father and also my mother. Okay, after seeing this kind of behavior of Anupama to others, she was getting advised that she must change out, and everyone asks her to change her behavior, to to behave more confidently and to try to be social with others. Also, this same advice was provided to her by her parents also. Okay, I resented them, I did not change. So she is saying that she confirmed this to her parents that she did not change. Okay, she did not change. In fact, I do not want to change. So her mind was like this. She was not trying to change herself. I became more stiff, more timid. It means she was becoming more arrogant there. Okay, she was becoming more arrogant. Her behavior was like that. Her behavior was becoming more arrogant towards. She was. Avoiding socialness in her life, and more timidness was increasing there. What hurt me most was that even my parents kept telling me that I must change. Okay, that I must change. She was depressed due to the reason that her parents were also telling her that she must change and there must be some change in her behavior also. My father insisted that I change. My mother said that I was stubborn. The wrong impression, the wrong expression of her was going towards her parents also, that she was stubborn. Stubborn means ziddi. Okay, in Hindi we call it as ziddi. So due to her reason, due to the reason that she was not becoming social and she was introverted out there, so therefore her parents were also expressing that, or they were thinking that she was becoming more stubborn there. She was not meeting with any others. In a way, I agreed with her. Secretly, I wished that I could change. Okay. Also, she herself has got an idea that she was becoming more stubborn due to this non-expression and introvertness. Secretly, I wish that I could change, but in her deep mind, she was thinking that, she was expressing that I must change. I used to change this thing. Okay, but I could not bring myself to change. I became all the time more timid, all the more an introvert. I simply couldn't change. Okay, but she was unable to do this thing. But she was unable to do this thing. She was unable to change herself. Okay, she was unable to change herself. So here in this particular topic, we have talked about the behavior of Anupama. Then one day my father said to me, Anu, dear, you don't have to change. Be yourself. You are my daughter. I love you just you are. It does not matter whether you change or not. Do not feel conditioned to change. My love for you is unconditional. I love you the way you are. But her father has understand herself, and she said to her, that you don't want to change, then don't change. Be yourself, daughter, and we love you as you are only. And it does not matter whether you change or not. Do not feel conditioned to change. Okay, it is not forced on you to change. It is not forced on you to change. My love for you is unconditional. I love you the way you are. Okay, those were the magical words. A throng of happiness filled by my being. I hugged and kissed him. I was now relaxed. My timidity was gone. I changed. Okay, after this particular conversation, after this conversation with her father, she became more happy there. Okay, her hesitance has decreased, and she became more relaxed out there. Her mind became more relaxed out there, and slowly she has got that her timidity is going on. Okay, and she needs to change out there. Why do people want others to change? What is the reason behind this? What do people look for in others? Okay, these are some of the questions which are coming into her mind or comes into our mind when we are in this particular time, when we are in the time of adolescence. Okay, why do some people find it hard to change themselves? What really changes people want? Does God loves us the way we are? Does his love help us to become better human beings? Okay, so all these questions was arising in her mind also at that particular time. So how to manage all these things. We can manage all these things by the help of our parents and help of our nature. Okay, so hence this all things must be gone out there. Okay, so we will talk all about this, that these questions will be asked by me. We will study the chapter further in the next class, and we will have the questions, and we will try to know that how can a child or a person which is going through this kind of behaviors can change, how her timidity, how the Anupama's timidity, and how other adolescent child's timidity can be changed out, how they can become more social, how their problems can be solved out here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We will continue this particular chapter in our next session. Thank you.